Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see watch history on Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to see watch history on your Facebook, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Facebook app. Once you open it, now you need to simply tap on your profile icon and simply scroll down and go in Reels. So once you're in the Reels section, you can simply find a profile like icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Simply tap on it and there you can find an option called history right below liked videos. Simply tap on it and now you can find every video that you have watched on your Facebook. So by doing this and following these simple easy steps, you can simply view your watch history on Facebook and watch these videos again. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.